Hello, Kurt here with Teach Mom How. Today I've got a cool tutorial where I'm going to show you how to sort Microsoft Excel columns in alphabetical order. Let's go ahead and get started. So here I've got a list of names. There's two ways I know to do this. There's probably more. And I want to sort these alphabetically. So one way is I can select all and I can filter. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up here and I'm going to search for the filter command. Filter. Okay, and add or remove a filter. All right. And then what that does is it adds these little drop downs where I can filter things. If I click on that filter and choose ascending, it will ascend those by alphabetical order. If I switch them to descending, it'll be reverse alphabetical order. So that's how I can sort them by alphabetical order. In the same fashion, if I've got them sorted in alphabetical order, I can also sort them by, if I have a date column along with that, I can sort them by date order. So I click ascending, and that puts it to the oldest date to the most recent date. 3/5/22 to 4/5/24. Same thing, I can do descending order and go from most recent to the oldest. So that is one way to do that. Let me turn off the filter. The other way would be to make a table. So I select that range, then I go to Insert, Table, click OK, and then I've got the same function right there. Ascending will change it to alphabetical. Descending would be reverse alphabetical. And if I did the same thing on the date, it would order the dates accordingly. Okay, so that is how you sort columns in Microsoft Excel alphabetically or by date. Hope that helped. If you want some more help, check out the other tutorials I've done in the playlist of Excel tutorials. I've got, I think, 23 videos by the time at the time I made this one. And also, if you don't see what you're looking for, ask a question in the comments and I'll make a custom video just for you. Have a great day and subscribe to Teach Mom How.